My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be real quick because your girl is tired as fuck. It is going to be an unboxing of my first Ipsy Plus. So it's going to be Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of June. So if you would like to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up so I will continue to make more videos you guys enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Alright, let's get into it. So I worked last night, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. and then I really needed to get into my doctor, and they were like, can you come in today at 1:30? I was like, oh, alright, I guess I'll just sleep after my appointment. And then I got home and I checked my mail, and of course my Ipsy was there today. I'm like, really? You couldn't have come on a when I was off? Really? But anyways, we're gonna unbox it real quick. I really like that they give you a pamphlet, unlike the regular Ipsy. The first product I see is this Tetris and Ipsy Game On eyeshadow palette. Retail value is $24. Okay, so Tetris is making eyeshadow palettes now. It does have a mirror. Oh, there's 6 shades in here. I don't know why I was expecting there to be more. I guess it's the size of it, but these are large pans. Okay, all right. We got a couple mattes, a few shimmers. Is that a blue? Oh, that's a pretty blue. I'm sorry, guys, I'm not gonna swatch it. I'm too tired. What? Holy, I was not expecting this. All right, the next product is this Sunday Riley CEO Vitamin C Rich Hydration Cream. Retail value is $65, and this is 1.7 ounces. This is definitely full size. I can't even explain to you how much I love the Sunday Riley CEO serum. I am stoked to try this moisturizer if I could ever get it open. This moisturizer is infused with ultra potent vitamin C to help fight skin damage and visibly brighten your skin while adding a dewy, luminous glow. Yes! Yes! Oh. Natalie, do not do unboxings when you have not slept. Is what it looks like. It is a pale yellow cream, and it does smell like vitamin C. It's like oranges. It smells like the serum. Oh my god. Oh, that is heaven. Oh, that is like so luxurious and creamy. Oh my gosh, I can't even wait to try this. Oh my god, I'm going to be living for this. I know it. Okay, Ipsy Plus, I see you. Okay, the next products come in a little baggie. And, ooh, you get not one, not two, but trace of the Tula Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Masks. So retail value is $26 for free. And it says this mask has a healthy dose of vitamin C to help brighten, papaya to exfoliate and nix dullness, and the probiotic strain Lactococtus ferment lysate to hydrate. All right, wow. Anything with the word glow and brightening in it, I'm all about that life. Okay, the next product, what is this? Is this Tracique Matte Color and Shiny Balm Lip Crayon in Belize Bordeaux and Grenache Balm. Retail value is $25. Okay, so it is a dual-ended lippy from Okay, it's got a creamy matte berry crayon on one end and a moisturizing balm on the other. Huh. So, here is the matte end. Ooh, it's like magnetized too. That's really cool. And oh, then there's a like little mini balm on the other end. That's really cool. Ooh, I'm not gonna swatch it just in case I want to throw it in a giveaway, but that is really awesome. It's a very neat concept. I like that idea. And the last product is this Suva Beauty Hydra Liner in Grease and 620 brush set. So this retails for $26. So it says this inky water activated cake liner glides on with a smooth matte finish to create precise lines that won't smudge, fade, or transfer. With the ultra fine 620 brush, application is a total cinch. Okay, to begin, wet the 620 brush and dip into the pan. Mix with the liner, adding more water if necessary. So here's what it looks like. And wow, that's a very precise brush. Okay, I have never seen such a thing. I'm gonna have to see how I like it. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about having to wet the brush, but if I really like the outcome of it, how it looks, then hey, I don't mind wetting my brush. I do it with everything else. Okay, that's also very innovative. Huh, there's a lot of like really unique products in here. And I'm so excited for that Sunday Riley moisturizing cream, like you don't even know. So the retail value for this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $166. Wow. So for my first Ipsy Plus, I am extremely impressed. The only thing that I'm just like about is I don't know how I feel about this palette. I mean, I think it's awesome that they included a palette, but I just feel like these are colors that I already have. So I might include this in a giveaway too. I'm really excited for the cream, for the masks, and I'm intrigued to try that eyeliner. Alright guys, wow. Let me know what you think about my Ipsy Plus this month, and what did you get in your Ipsy Plus? Let me know down below. Did everyone get the same thing? I am not too familiar with the Glam Bag Plus yet, so yeah, you guys always got the info, so let me know down below. Alright guys, I am going to go to sleep, and I will see you in my next video.